Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
The Demolitionist specializes in explosives and area denial on the rails. This class excels at clearing clusters of enemies with splash damage. You will prioritize explosive ammo, blast radius upgrades, and crowd control tools when building. Plan for 3 complementary loadouts to handle common threats. 1 loadout for anti-armor, 1 for anti-infantry, and 1 for utility situations are essential. Manage cooldowns and ammo reserves between engagements to stay effective. Always account for friendly positioning to avoid friendly damage from blasts. Equip 1 primary explosive weapon, 1 short-range launcher, and a utility device for flexibility. Choose modifications that increase blast radius and reduce fuse speed early in progression. Prioritize radius and control over raw single-hit damage for sustained effectiveness. Add a mobility mod or light armor to survive brief frontline exposure while priming charges. Carry spare ammo packs and a short cooldown utility to re-engage quickly. Rotate upgrades to balance sustain, damage, and survivability across long runs or missions. Place charges to block choke points and deny areas for 10 to 30 seconds. Use timed or remote detonation to collapse enemy formations and control movement. Time detonations to maximize knockback and chain explosions for combo damage against group targets. Coordinate with teammates to avoid friendly blast damage and enable crossfire opportunities. Use line of sight and elevation to increase splash effectiveness without endangering allies. Reposition after major detonations to avoid counterattacks and prepare the next defensive setup quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.